In this video, I'll show you how to find your Google Ads conversion ID so you can use it in tools like Google Tag Manager or other tracking setups. Start by signing into the correct Google Ads account and make sure you have permission to view tags. From the left-hand menu, click Tools, then select Data Manager. This section is where Google Ads organizes tagging and data connections for your website. Once inside Data Manager, locate your Google tag and click Manage. If multiple tags appear, choose the one connected to the website you're working with. After opening the tag details, go to the Admin tab. In this area, click Manage Google Tag to open the main configuration view. Here you'll find important identifiers related to your tag setup. Look for the conversion ID, which usually appears in a format like AWXXXXXXXX, followed by numbers. Copy the entire value exactly as shown, because this identifier is required when connecting conversion tracking with tools like Google Tag Manager or certain website platforms. Keep in mind that the conversion ID is different from the conversion label, which is tied to individual conversion actions. Once copied, you can paste the conversion ID into the appropriate field in your tracking configuration. Subscribe for more practical Google Ads tutorials.